Okay.
Right down.
Don't.
You'll feel a bit of a ledge in the bed, okay? And you want to make sure you don't slip over it, but you want to be right on the edge of it. Okay?
Another one.
Okay. So 10 full seconds. You're doing so well. We want to really use these contractions, okay? Chin to your chest and push. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going. 5, 6, 10 seconds. 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice deep breath in. Chin to your chest and push again. Push. The only way to make that go away is to push it away, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another deep breath in. Chin to your chest and push. Hard. Good job. That's the way. Keep going. Go. You're doing great. Good. And one more. Do one more. Chin to your chest and really push. Good. Lots of burning. Keep pushing past it. You're amazing, Hillary. This is great. Awesome. Okay, great. Do you want to do one more push?
Burning.
Okay, good. That's baby right there. Do you want to feel the head? Okay.
Can I push?
Sure. If you drop your legs nice and wide, is the contraction there? Put your chin to your chest. And push. That's it.
Okay,
Breathe.
Stop pushing. Small pushes, run to push. That's it.
2-second pushes. Great job. Give a good push. And breathe.
Small push.
Okay, breathe. A little bit of meconium there. So she does not do any vertical breathing.
Can you push up, push down?
Good. There you go. Have a look down.